As a naturopath and also a businesswoman, I have won a lot of awards, and one of them was an innovation award for developing my lymphatic gloves. So we have the spiky side of the glove, the rollerball side, and this is the at-home use that every single client uses. We also have my lymphatic cream, magnesium spray, facebiotics cream. Now, my lymphatic cream is like no other. We have herbs and essential oils in here that are going to get to the deeper lymphatic system. We know that we have 70% is superficial, 30% is deeper that we need to get to, and that's why we massage with our lymphatic cream every single day. The magnesium spray is for pain, is for reducing pain, and who isn't deficient in magnesium? Arnica in there as well as MSM. And then we have our facebiotics, which is full of phytonutrients, and that is for your face. So all of the ingredients in these creams are as natural as we can get it. Every single cream is mixed together with love from my family and myself. Yes, I know that it's going to make a change on the outside, but I also know giving themselves that self-love and that time every day is going to help with their parasympathetic nervous system, is going to bring their stress down, and it's going to help them feel so much better.